Hello guys, review OPPO A3x. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory storage. Open box and look completion. Okay, in completion we have documentary, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. That's all. Now talk about device. We have double camera on the back side, on the front side 6.7-inch display, power button and volume buttons on this side. On this slot for another SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. We have display HD plus 90 Hz. Open settings. About phone, we have Color OS version 14.0, Android 14, and open tests. Geekbench test. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 1 and GPU Adreno 610. Look results: single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. GPU doesn't work. Okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. And PUBG Mobile works only on the low graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.